In just a few months, the Mini Aceman will be presented to the public for the first time, equipped exclusively with an all-electric drivetrain. The model expands the Mini range with a new, attractive vehicle. With agile driving dynamics and brand-typical proportions, the crossover model combines the features of the two most successful Mini models, the Mini Cooper and the Mini Countryman, to create a new vehicle concept. On its way to series production, the new model currently must prove itself under extremely high temperatures on sandy desert roads. With a length of 4,075mm, a width of 1,754mm, and a height of 1,495mm, the Mini Aceman occupies the position between the Mini Cooper and the Mini Countryman. The third standalone model in the new all-electric Mini family is equipped with 4 doors and a large tailgate. Its interior can accommodate 5 passengers. According to Stephanie Wurst, head of Mini, the all-electric Mini Aceman opens a new opportunity for customers who want a smaller crossover than our successful Mini Countryman. The consistent electrification of our product portfolio makes a clear statement about the future of the Mini brand. After the Mini Aceman had already successfully completed tests at the Arctic Circle, the crossover model is completing final testing in the desert in strong sunlight and heat. In addition to classic features such as driving dynamics and driving comfort, the test team is focusing on the demanding aspects of an electric vehicle. For this purpose, the air conditioning, charging, and cooling of the battery, drive and control devices are intensively tested at up to 50 degrees Celsius in dusty desert sand. The new Mini Aceman will only be available fully electric. Its battery size is 54.2 kilowatt hours. Thanks to the purely electric drive concept, the agile Mini crossover takes up little space on the road and offers a high level of comfort and versatility. The design of the newly developed model is in line with the brand's basic principle: plenty of interior space with the smallest possible external dimensions, agile driving characteristics, and efficiency. Behind this is the functional 2-box design with short overhangs. This creates maximum space for 5 passengers and luggage on a minimal floor plan. Look for future updates on this vehicle as I get them, and hopefully video of the actual vehicle when it's officially debuted. However, we will not be getting this vehicle in the United States just yet, as the plan is for this model along with the electric hatch to come to the US around 2026. Look for future videos on these cars on this channel. And if you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video, and thanks for watching.